Horizontal Powers manuals. I have thousands upon thousands of manuals. This is just a few of the binders I have that are full. You got Toro, Clinton engines, Firestone tractors, which is a rare one, Kohler, Briggs & Stratton, Lawn Boy, John Deere, AMF, Lawn and Garden. I got a boatload of these old tube radio manuals and repair manuals and parts manuals. Then Tecumseh master parts books, service manuals, parts manuals, Power Products, Lawson. There's more and more and more. Briggs & Stratton, Bush Hog, Kohler, Lawson Power Products, Snapper, Ford tractors, more Lawson, Snapper, Boland's by FMC, Aaron's service manuals, snow blowers, tractors, mowers, Power Products, more Lawn Boy, more Boland's, more Tecumseh and Toro. And you go in here, I have more boxes and boxes of them. John Deere, Steel, Zenith carburetors, Kawasaki engines, International Harvester, Boland's, Wheel Horse, more Kohlers, service and repair and parts, more Kohler, Carter carburetors. They were used on a lot of items, including lawn and garden equipment and cars from back in the 40s and 50s. Sears, Craftsman, Clinton basic parts manuals, Steel, or Still, whatever you guys want to call them, Toro, Snapper, Comets, Lawn Boy. There's the Firestone tractors, Jacobson's Moto mower, if you ever heard of them, vintage. I have Rios, more Toros, Wheel Horse, Boland's, tractors, snow blowers, and the Sprint snowmobiles, Aaron's, boatloads, tractors, mowers, snow blowers, Tecumseh engines, service handbooks, mechanic handbooks, parts manuals, Tiger, which is a version of Echo, Rio, power trim mowers, Snowbird, more Briggs & Stratton, Fairbanks Morse by Wicco, Colt Industries, more repair manuals. There's more and more down there. There's the Rio flying mower. If anybody knows anything about the old 2-cycle gas engines. Wheel Horse. More. There's boatloads back there. I have manuals, and I'm selling them. Yardman, when Yardman was actually a real company. I have vintage. It's all vintage stuff, and I'll be listing it all. Please check us out on eBay. Horizontal Power is the user ID name. Thank you.